Hello there, guys. We haven't put a video up recently because it's been so hot. Literally, we've just been indoors sitting in front of the fan because it's been so hot, so humid. But we've come up to the caravan today hoping there'd be a bit of a breeze. It's not really. No, so, but what we've been doing while we've been here is we've put a little montage of things we've done today, but continue watching to the very end because Pete's finally bought his drone. So he's done his very first drone footage for the channel. Yeah, it's not perfect, is it?
No, still got to learn a lot.
Yeah, but when he was sort of doing it, it got hit by a little freak gust of wind and it took it off the track a little bit. But see what you think. So watch right to the end for Pete's drone footage. All right, thank you.
Comment.
And comment on what you think of his drone footage. Hi there, it's Tuesday the 7th of July, one of the hottest days of the year. So we come down to the beach at Mersey to see if it's any cooler, and the answer is no, it's not. Right, that's a bit better. We was on the beach and this big swarm of flies just came over and they were very distracting and everything else. It was obviously awful. So as you can see, we've come back to the caravan. But as I was saying, it's just so hot here, and when there's no breeze, there's no sort of relief from the heat because there's no trees or shade or anything like that, so we won't be staying here long today. But what we did on our way up here is we stopped off at the Tiptree factory, Wilkin and Sons, which is in Tiptree. Had something to eat, bought some provisions, the marmalade and jam that we like. So here's a few pictures of everything else I took, and I'll talk you through what's there if you fancy going there. Okay, locally we call this the Jam Factory, but Wilkin and Sons very, very famous. They hold the royal warrant to the King and previous to that Queen Elizabeth. As you can see, they've got a fantastic little cafe. They do breakfast, everything else. There's a museum, totally free of charge. You can have a look around the museum at any time. And this is inside where they actually make the jams and the chutneys and the marmalades, everything else, the bottling. You can see all the jars stacked up ready, and a fantastic shop. Look at that shop, they sell so much, and this is what we bought. Absolutely beautiful strawberries picked this morning. Okay, thank you for staying with us to the end to watch Pete's drone footage. Here it is. Hope you're happy with it. Give him loads of comments.